Hello, my stylish friends, and welcome back. Have you ever wondered how to create everyday outfits that feel both comfortable and effortlessly elegant, especially after 50? Well, today we're diving into some chic, practical combinations that prove casual doesn't have to mean careless. Each look I'll share is designed to keep you feeling confident, modern, and completely at ease, no matter the occasion. Let's begin with the timeless foundation that every woman should have in her wardrobe. Look 1. The white tee and high-waisted jeans. Nothing says effortless style quite like a crisp white t-shirt paired with well-fitting high-waisted jeans. The t-shirt keeps it fresh and simple, while the jeans elongate your silhouette and offer structure. Complete the look with loafers for that refined, polished touch. This outfit is perfect for running errands, meeting friends for coffee, or simply enjoying a comfortable yet put-together day. Look 2. The striped top and linen pants. For days when you want something breezy but still chic, a striped Breton top paired with wide-leg linen pants is the answer. The stripes bring that effortless French-inspired charm, while linen pants add an airy, luxurious feel. Finish the outfit with espadrilles or simple flats, and you'll have a look that feels relaxed yet polished. Ideal for warmer afternoons, lunch dates, or even a casual weekend outing. Look 3. The button-down shirt and capri pants. When you want a look that's fresh, crisp, and easy, pair a classic button-down shirt with capri pants. The shirt gives structure and polish, while the shorter pants keep things casual and light for warmer days. Slip on a pair of simple sandals, and you've got an outfit that's perfect for errands, a quick coffee with friends, or even a casual lunch date. It's the kind of effortless combination that says put together without ever trying too hard. Look 4. The casual blazer and dark denim. When you're aiming for easy sophistication, nothing works quite like throwing a casual blazer over a simple t-shirt. Add a pair of dark denim jeans, and suddenly a very basic look feels refined and intentional. The blazer provides structure and polish, while the t-shirt keeps it relaxed. Finish with loafers or low-heeled boots, and you've got a perfect go-to look for casual Fridays, a lunch date, or even a weekend brunch. It's effortless style that always feels current. Look 5. Knit sweater plus midi skirt plus ballet flats. For days when you want a balance of cozy and feminine, this combination is a winner. A soft knit sweater adds texture and warmth, while a flowy midi skirt brings effortless elegance. The contrast between structured knit and fluid skirt makes the look feel modern yet timeless. Slip on a pair of ballet flats, and you're ready for everything from a coffee date to an afternoon stroll. It's an outfit that's as comfortable as it is polished. Look 6. Tunic. Top plus skinny pants plus ankle boots. When comfort meets polish, this outfit shines. A tunic top gives you that extra coverage while staying light and flowy. Perfect for everyday ease. Pair it with sleek, skinny pants to balance the proportions and keep the silhouette streamlined. Add ankle boots and suddenly the whole look feels intentional and chic. It's flattering, comfortable, and versatile. Ideal for running errands, casual lunches, or even relaxed evenings out. Look 7. Denim jacket plus maxi dress plus slip-on sneakers. Here's a combination that balances feminine charm with laid-back ease. A flowy maxi dress gives you that graceful, effortless movement, while the denim jacket adds just the right touch of casual edge. Pair the outfit with slip-on sneakers, and suddenly you've got the perfect blend of comfort and style. This look is ideal for casual weekends, a stroll through the park, or even a coffee date. It's chic without trying too hard. Look 8. Sweater plus pleated trousers plus loafers. For a refined casual outfit that feels effortless, try pairing a lightweight sweater with pleated trousers. The trousers instantly elevate the comfort of a sweater, giving the look structure and polish. Add a pair of loafers, and you've got a perfect blend of sophistication and ease. This is a wonderful choice for coffee dates, shopping days, or even a relaxed office setting. It's simple, chic, and timeless. Look 9. Polo shirt plus knee-length skirt plus flats. A simple polo shirt paired with a knee-length skirt creates a sporty yet feminine balance. The polo keeps things casual, while the skirt adds a touch of softness and polish. Finish the look with classic flats for comfort and ease. This outfit works beautifully for daytime wear, whether it's a walk in the park, a lunch date, or just running errands with style. It's proof that elegance doesn't always need effort. It can be this simple. Look 10. Cardigan plus graphic tee plus jogger pants. Casual days don't have to mean sloppy style. A cozy cardigan layered over a fun graphic tee instantly adds personality, while jogger pants keep things comfortable and modern. This outfit strikes the perfect balance between laid back and chic, ideal for coffee runs, casual meetups, or simply relaxing at home in style. With the right sneakers or slip-ons, you'll look effortlessly put together while still enjoying total comfort. Look 11. Sleeveless top plus wide-leg jeans plus mules. For those warmer days, when you want something relaxed yet stylish, try a sleeveless top paired with wide-leg jeans. The top keeps the look fresh and airy, while the wide-leg jeans bring in a modern, elongating silhouette. Slip into a pair of chic mules to tie it all together. This combination balances comfort and sophistication, perfect for shopping trips, brunch with friends, or casual evenings out. Look 12. Lightweight poncho plus leggings plus flat boots. For those crisp fall mornings or cooler evenings.
Absolutely.
A lightweight poncho layered over leggings is both practical and stylish. The poncho drapes gracefully, adding movement and elegance, while the leggings provide sleek comfort. Flat boots complete the look, keeping it grounded yet polished. This outfit is an excellent choice for running errands, enjoying a weekend getaway, or simply sipping coffee outdoors while soaking in the season's beauty. Look 13. Sleeveless dress plus kimono plus sandals. When you want something relaxed yet full of personality, layering a colorful kimono over a sleeveless dress is a perfect choice. The kimono adds flow, pattern, and flair without sacrificing comfort, while the sleeveless dress keeps the base light and effortless. Finish the outfit with simple sandals for a look that feels breezy and elegant. This combination is ideal for casual gatherings, garden strolls, or even a relaxed vacation day, where you want to feel stylish with minimal effort. Look 14. Crewneck sweater plus chinos plus slip-on sneakers. A crewneck sweater is one of those timeless pieces that never fails you. When paired with chinos, it strikes the perfect balance between polished and relaxed. The structure of chinos instantly elevates the cozy feel of the sweater, creating a smart casual vibe that's ideal for everyday wear. Slip-on sneakers keep the outfit grounded in comfort while maintaining that effortless edge. This is the kind of look you can rely on for a lunch outing, a casual meeting, or even a weekend city stroll. Look 15. Linen shirt plus slim jeans plus loafers. There's something effortlessly chic about linen. A lightweight linen shirt instantly brings freshness and ease to your outfit. When paired with slim jeans, it creates a flattering silhouette that feels modern yet relaxed. Loafers complete the look with a touch of sophistication, making it perfect for errands, coffee with a friend, or even casual Fridays. This combination proves that style doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about choosing timeless fabrics and clean lines. Look 16. Trench coat plus t-shirt plus crop trousers. On those cooler days, when you want to look polished without being overdressed, the trench coat is your best friend. Layer it over a simple t-shirt and crop trousers, and you've got a look that feels Parisian chic with zero effort. The trench instantly elevates even the most basic outfit, while crop trousers keep the silhouette light and modern. Add loafers or low-heeled ankle boots, and you're ready for anything from a city stroll to a casual dinner out. Look. 17. Silk blouse plus tailored shorts plus sandals. For those warmer fall days when you want to stay elegant yet comfortable, a silk blouse paired with the tailored shorts is the perfect answer. The silk brings softness and sophistication, while the structured shorts keep the look crisp and modern. Pair them with chic sandals, either flat or with a low block heel, and you'll have an outfit that feels effortless yet polished. This combination works beautifully for casual lunches, weekend getaways, or even outdoor gatherings where you want to feel light but still look refined. Look 18. Lightweight sweater plus midi skirt plus sneakers. For a finish that blends elegance with ease, pair a lightweight sweater tucked neatly into a flowy midi skirt. The soft knit adds comfort, while the skirt brings movement and femininity. To modernize the outfit, slip on a pair of clean sneakers. They'll give you that effortless, on-trend edge while keeping the look casual and practical. This is the kind of outfit that works for everything from a coffee date to a day of sightseeing, striking the balance between relaxed and refined. Closing. And there you have it, dear ladies.
Where did you get it?
18 casual yet classy outfit ideas
This walk was a great
to keep you
idea.
looking stylish, confident, and comfortable at any age. The beauty of these combinations is their versatility. You can mix and match them depending on your mood, lifestyle, or the occasion, all while staying true to your personal style. Remember, fashion after 50, 60, or even 70 isn't about chasing every trend. It's about choosing pieces that highlight your best features, reflect your personality, and most importantly, make you feel at ease in your own skin.